Hi children, welcome back to your EVS online class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. Hope all are fine and safe at home. We have completed the revision for 3 lessons. Hope all are thorough with these 3 lessons. Next I am going to evaluate you. How can I evaluate you? Yes, through revision test. So today I will conduct the revision test for the second chapter. What is our second chapter? Yes, the sun, the moon and the stars. Very good. So children, I have included 3 types of questions in this revision test. First one is fill in the blanks. Then write true or false and match the following. I did not include question answer this time. Don't think it is not an important one. You have to study the question answers also very well. So let's start. Write this revision test in backside of your notebook. Give the heading as revision test 1 and put the date. What is the date? 29.07.2020. Children, this revision test carries 10 marks. After each question, you will get 5 seconds to write the answer. Write only answers along with the correct question number. Let's start with fill in the blanks. Your first question, the dash is the brightest object in the sky. Your time starts now. The second question, the sun and its 8 planets belong to the dash. Your time starts now. Then the third question, the earth is a dash. Your time starts now. Hope all of you can write the answers. Let's move to the second set of questions. Write true or false. First question. The moon gives us heat and light. You have to identify whether it is a true or false statement. Your time starts now. Then the next question, all stars are huge balls of hot gases. Is it true or false? Your time starts now. Then the sixth question, we cannot see the moon on a full moon day. Is it true or false? Your time starts now. Let's move to the last set of questions. Match the following. You have 2 sets. Set of A and set of B. In your first set, you can see the options the sun, the earth, the stars and the moon. In your second set, you can see the options ball of hot gases, star, ball of rock and planet. Match with correct options. You will have 10 seconds. Your time starts now. Children, hope all of you can attend the revision test very well. So what do you have to do next? Yes, take a snap and send that photo to the mail ID which is mentioned below. Okay? I will expect all of your answers. Children, for the next class, you have to study lesson 3. What is our lesson 3? Yes, the air, water and weather. I will take the revision test for that lesson. Okay children, we'll see you in our next class. Until then, take care, goodbye and study well.